Kasia,
Yeah,
do you think it's time you introduce yourself?
I suppose. My name's Kasia. I'm Polish. I've been in the UK for over 20 years. I work on the ships in Scotland. That's why probably confusing accent. And I am 45.
45?
Yeah,
I thought you were 44.
it was last year. 1981 and 2026. That's 45, isn't it?
Okay, I'll let you off. So you're an old bird then?
Not quite old, but not a spring chicken.
What do you like doing in your spare time?
I like knitting.
Uh-huh.
I love books. I've got a little library, and I'm a bit of a tea snob. I've got my own teapot.
Anything else?
Well, I like dirt bikes. I've got little Vita X Trainer 2025 300, and had a few bits done to it. And obviously, it has to be big and powerful.
Lovely.
What else? I've learned riding bikes.
How long have you been riding bikes?
Well, I've learned riding bikes on the road bike 4 years ago. And then I used to go out with you guys, you and your mates. You were doing off-road at the time after being bored with the road bikes. And I was usually a pit lady. So I was making cakes, tea, coffee, and I was taking photos of everyone. And then one day in Abram, I asked, can I have a go? And then on Monday we were going to Acklands and getting my first bike. That was Beta 125. That was X-Trainer, wasn't it? No. Enduro. Beta Enduro 125.
Yep.
Yeah. So that was my first bike. And that's how I've been riding since. I've been riding. It's quite difficult because of my work. I can only do, if I'm lucky, 2 weekends in a month. So even though it's been 3 years riding, it's been very little time on a bike. And I had some training with Wayne from Raw Enduro. He taught me quite good techniques of quick cornering and stuff. So yeah.
Okay, so where do you normally ride?
Well, you usually take me into the most difficult places ever. So we started in Abram. Justin was very kind to set like a novice's loop, because technically you can't do it anywhere else. So Justin set up a novice loop, and that's when I learned basically how to start and stop. And then we got a bit brave, and then you took me into Tong and Cam Quarry. So I'm absolutely brilliant in difficult stuff, roots, rocks, but put me in a straight line, I can't fucking twist the throttle. So yeah.
So you're a bit of a fanny then?
Yeah.
Okay, so where are you going to be riding next?
Well, I went and I entered Wild Willie's AM race.
So you're doing an extreme?
Yeah.
Have you done any extremes before?
No. I've done, my first race ever was with Raw Enduro with Wayne, and that was it Catterick or Driffield? Driffield. So I did my first race in there.
What position did you come?
First. But that's only because I was the only female. And then I did Valleys Light twice, winter one and summer one. Loved it. I both ended up fourth. I nearly got third in the summer, but I slightly overheated my clutch. So it barely got me to the finish line. Oh, and I hit the railing, the timing, so I've lost a few minutes in there, because obviously every place I go, I try to take railing with me. What other race did I do? Oh, I did the Wild Willie's light one as well, and I've entered the wrong class. I went over 40s. If I would go to novices, I would get a trophy. I was first. So, oh well. Lesson learned. So yeah, you'll see me in Parkwood. See you there.